Wow, it's so beautiful here. Tachana, jungle hang.
Hnub, come. I want to show you something. La, kusaka kapa rechi.
Enough! Donu, it's time for you to return back to your duties. As well as you, Dohli. Donu, ko pachu tashino, ko yochu takamu ko tahalu. Dohli, ko latia tiana.
Hey, what are you doing here? Katodachino.
I'm here to restore the natural order of the land. And it's obvious to me that words cannot be exchanged anymore. So Hanila, take them. Galamu.
Stop! I'll go. Just don't hurt him. Ju, Kuma, don't move. That's enough, Dosi. We were never made to be with each other anyways. Ju, Dosi. Koteku, Yinya okay chitao.
No.
You have one new message. Main menu. To listen to your messages, press 1. For greet.
Hey Ka, I know you're so upset, but can I see you one last time before you go? Meet me at the park on campus. I'll see you soon. Kupate kachinki. Deshi kusapaka ijanzi onde kamu. Donjiku.
Ga arrives at the destination Foom told him to meet. Ga looks for Foom, but he is nowhere to be seen. But he decides to wait. Ga tu ta hoiko or Foom ting gongo shinji, lachi pa Foom yakatuli.
Where is he? Didn't he say to meet him here?
You with the sad eyes. Don't be discouraged, though I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you.
So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, so beautiful.
Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, just call me up, 'cause I will always be there.
And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you.
So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful.
After a fun night of hanging out and socializing, their friends have decided to call it a night.
We'll see you later, Ka. Gumulatia. Sinjia.
Okay, thanks for coming, guys. Have a good night, everyone. Drive home safe. Wachanitoa.
Kong, thanks for today. I'm sorry for being so problematic. Ochoa, gu tatsi, gu ching otao, ganyoshia, tia.
It's fine. I'm just glad that you're okay. Jiotja, Juyaka Jongsu. Hold on. Hello? Is everything okay, Hu? Okay. I'll come home soon. Hula? Whatja? Good to your luck, Jay. Good night, Ka.
Although Ndonu and Dohli are no longer together, the sun and the moon were still headed towards each other. This worries every living being, not fully knowing what the converging of the sun and moon would do. However, the sun and the moon only move to the emotions of their guardians because Ndonu and Dohli's hearts are still with each other. Ndonu, come here, Lana. I've realized that I've made a mistake. The moon and the sun are tied to Dohli and you. Harmony is so much more than just tending to orders, but tending to your own emotions and mental health. So I will allow you to meet Dohli tonight for closure. Until next time. Kumakia ka munjin Dohli ojoka mono.
Really? Tetela?
Now go. Mutashino.
Thanks, Tay. Ochoa.
Sendonu thiên Dohli chinyao ke le la. Lunu tiluli chingshi gyao. Ga alushia chinyao ke.
I brought you these crystals from the Sun Kingdom as a gift. Kumocha paje ki ha putaka.
And I brought you the mist from the Moon Kingdom. Mocha Joana Daka.
I will turn your mists into clouds to accompany the sun. Kumomocha cho na oho shondu landa luhnu.
And I will turn your crystals into the stars to accompany the moon. Kumamoka Japaje ki onuku nyashondu dalunli. And we can use what's left for us.
What do you mean? Tsalichana.
If we can't be together up here, we can be together on Earth. Let's send the last crystal and mist down to Earth, so our human selves can be together. Ya nya chita oke shondula, jo ya utao nya honde te oke. La usa ja baje te ja jwana mohonde te, ga utao nya oke.
Bet. Olinda.
Foom returns back home for the weekend before he gets too busy with finals. Most importantly, Foom goes home to see what Hu wants to talk about. Luik tande Foom takamuche mundanututi lota.
Hu, what did you want to talk about? Kamo dechi sandakuta.
Foom, I'm so sorry for reacting the way I did. Is there any way you can forgive me? Kutatsuyo. Jatsi, Buraku.
Kakama, enutu yokotu kukene.
Thank you, Uncle, for supporting me this whole time, and thank you, Hu. I know you only did what you did because you care about me. Now, let's go fishing. It's too sad in here.
Dachino?
Dad, I'm gay. You don't have to accept who I am because I love myself and that's all that matters. Kusakeka bao haitia kunye sining guchike yakonye la chinye yakulune kuyahu gutuking.
Stop! Jukia!
No, you don't have to accept who I am. I love myself and that's all that matters. I hope that one day you can learn to love me like how a dad should love their kid. Gutaka mo inu ga yenyo lu guli lotsi lu le ja minyo.
Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better.
In a world full of people, you can lose sight.
Rewrite the stars. Say that
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
I don't wanna waste no time, yeah. You ain't
谢邻居散的个海，谢谢